proof of stake blockchain with up to 50% APY. Well, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called HydraChain. But before we do that, make sure to do your research about this project is for you. So definitely an exciting one for you guys today. We're going to talk about what HydraChain is. We're actually going to jump into their app. It's a wallet where you can do a bunch of different things. We'll talk about their great staking where you can get up to 50% APY. We'll talk about the different things there. I'll kind of pull it up on my phone. We'll kind of walk through it together. Then we'll talk about the future of this project, HydraN, which is kind of like their next level of their project. All the exciting features there, how they plan to differentiate their project from others out there, all the cool different features that they're making that will definitely get you guys excited and developers excited about the future of this platform. But let's go. Hydra. Okay, I'm going to check out the HydraChain mobile wallet. Here I have my phone. I'm going to search for HydraChain mobile wallet, just so I'm going to go through the whole process so you guys know how to check this out. It's this one. You could actually see it got 4.6 stars and 57 reviews already. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to click here. You could see some sample screenshots if you guys want to see. Manage wallets, access Hydra deck, secure access, send tokens, receive tokens. I'll kind of go through all that process with you guys today. But let's hit the install. It's verified by Play Protect, so obviously that's good. It's relatively low download. It's only 29 megabytes, which is always good to see. And again, I've been talking a lot about different wallets, but I do think that this one definitely stands out. I think there's a lot of cool things as well. So there we go as well. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously you need to create your wallet itself and create your account. I'm gonna go do that now. So you hit login. It says you don't have any wallets yet. So yes, I want to create a new wallet, or if you want to import an existing wallet, you can. You just name your wallet. So I'll put Goalorious wallet. Make sure you save your seed phrase, write it down, take a picture of it, lock it away. You know, you guys are pretty familiar with that. But again, if you do lose your login access, you have to re-enter your seed phrase. So there's gonna be no support for you there. You have to make sure that you are able to remember what you're doing. So again, that's the registration process. Fairly simple. They even show you exactly what your address is. It says swipe right to reveal the private key, swipe left to delete your wallet. If you don't need to do that, you can just click into it. There you go. You can have multiple wallets in here, which is actually pretty cool. Really easy to switch in between, and it shows you how much Hydra you have. Again, this is my test wallet, so I'm not going to have any in here right away. You just have to click on it, and then you could actually see what your wallet address is. There's an easy button to just copy it, so you could send it to whomever, and that's it. You have set up your account. That literally took 60 seconds or less. So now if you guys are interested in learning how to purchasing, so if you want to receive, you hit receive button. You'll also get your wallet address, and you even get a QR code for that. If you want to swap, you guys can. So this is how, if you guys are interested in buying some Hydra, you could do the swap here. So you could select whatever token that you do have. Again, this is a test wallet. But this is obviously through HydraSwap. So this is the swap. So this is through Hydra DEX, the HydraSwap. So obviously you can swap for whatever tokens you want for Hydra. So again, you have your wallet address up there, and you could select which one you want to exchange for it from any of these options, BUSD, ETH. All you have to do is have to send it through that wallet and then swap it for Hydra. Fairly simple. It's all nice that you could do it through the app. And then even if you want to, swap Hydra into something else, you can do that as well. But that's easily done through that as well. And then once you actually have that, you could hit stake. Again, this is my test wallet, but you can check to see all the different things that you can stake. Again, this is all through the Hydra DEX. It's kind of nice that it's all through here, and I like how it populates the APR in real time. So APR for Hydra, APR for Hydra right now is 34.29%, so that's awesome. So again, sign up, add Hydra to your wallet and then start staking it, get the 34.29%, and then you could see all the ones populate as well. This USDC to Hydra is almost 300,000%. So again, kind of cool that there's a bunch of different pairs. Really depends on what you want to do. If you click into here, you could obviously see all the different options that you do have. And again, like I said, pretty easy. You can even look on the bottom. You could go swap through the. I wanted to quickly show you guys how to stake and the current APR offering. So here we are. I pulled up the app again. As you can see, I put some Hydra in my account to kind of show you guys how this all works. It's fairly easy. Again, you could get the wallet address at the top. If you click the stake button, so remember there's 4 buttons on there: send, receive, swap, and stake. Hit stake. So you could see for Hydra, you could see an APR of 34.44%. So really great APR. So I think that's obviously, like I said, with the market how it is, I think it's looking for good opportunities for staking and earning money. I think is definitely the way to go. So you can see the APRs for the rest of this: USDC to Hydra, USDT, USDC. So a bunch of different options, but we'll click on Hydra. So again, I have just a test balance of 25 Hydra, and it'll tell me my annual projected annual reward, which is 8.6. So that's great, 34%. And then you could literally check to see which option you want. So there's different options on here to kind of check out and explore. So if you says, are you sure you want to allocate your staking to Hydra Mining Hub? It says transaction submitted. So you can view on the Explorer if you want to, or you could close it. And so then there it shows up on the top now. It shows the fees. And if you just want to click on more info, you guys can. You guys could check that out, what it looks like on the Explorer. But that's it. Like I said, if you guys are interested in checking that out. So again, you can see my balance now. Again, you can see that it went through, and you can undelegate if you want to. And then obviously, since I delegated it to the Hydra Mining Hub, you can't do it for the other ones. But yeah, like I said, really easy to do. And then, like I said, at the bottom, you could even get access to other different options as well: swap, pool, DAO, Hydra, and then the different charts. But that's it. And then obviously, you could track your balance to see how that goes. If you want to check out the history of those transactions, you can. But that's it. Fairly simple and easy to do. So if this is something that's interesting to you, obviously do your research, swap through the different options, but swap. You can look at the pool, the stake, the DAO, if you guys want to, and the Hydra, if you guys are interested in that as well. And then even if you just want to see what the charts are, you could literally click charts, and it'll take you to the Hydra Dex, and kind of you could see the chart there, which is actually pretty nice and easy to actually use. Like I said, pretty seamless, really easy to use. Again, this is my test account, but again, you guys are familiar with how these wallets look like, and I do think that this one is, like I said, I'm a huge fan of easy UI, simplicity, and this is definitely something that's great. And again, if you manage multiple wallets, it's fairly easy for you to do as well. So if you want to learn more about staking with Hydra, you could check out this article on Crypto Daily, where they talk about the top 3 of the most promising staking programs in 2024. Article talking about how you could unleash this too as well, which I thought was interesting, unlocking the potential of Hydra. So that was cool. Another thing I did want to talk about was HydraN, what that is. This article on CoinMarketCap kind of was a good one. Aims to ignite Hydra as a leading blockchain contender. The major goal stated for HydraN is helping resolve the blockchain trilemma. So I thought this was interesting. It says HydraN engines built on Polygon technology believes it can enable substantially higher transaction throughput without sacrificing decentralized per its claims, more capable of supporting high demand centralized apps. Hydra is targeting to build it to eventually support up to 2,000 transactions per second. So that's pretty cool. So it says HydraN will maintain a permissionless and decentralized architecture. Anyone can run validator nodes block production is distributed via staking, weighted voting, so a bunch of different things. HydraN to incentivize real world usage. So it's just kind of cool that Hydra is thinking of new ways to upgrade, make their project better, and HydraN is just an example. So that's pretty cool. Again, that was the article on CoinMarketCap. There was another one as well. The other one, again, that kind of talks about some of the features: upgraded consensus mechanism, interoperability, ecosystem support, leverage staking, instant borrowing, DAO governance. So again, if you guys want to check this out, you guys can kind of go through that. If you guys want to check out the DAO, DAO.HydraChain.org, you can check out a bunch of the different proposals. So literally every decision they make, they want to make sure that they're making the best decision possible. So I like how this is really broken out between like the market proposals, obviously liquidity proposals, complete votes. They also have like the general ideas. So it says share and discuss ideas which are the best of the interest of the Hydra DAO. Drop your thoughts and suggestions. There's so much different points. This person's talking about just a refreshed logo, adding Hydra to Uniswap. Proposal for the role of DAO secretary as the first member of the DAO operations team. So a lot of things going on. And I think that this, really makes it, having this organization, having a place where people could talk about the framework, I think is definitely interesting. Definitely going to make for the success of the project. And if you guys want to check out some of the market proposals, you guys can as well. I feel like every couple of days there's a new one. So definitely check this out if you guys are interested. Like I said, having a place for people to voice their opinions in a structured format, I think is the best way to do so. Obviously, where people can vote and, just have a good discussion, I think, is super valuable, especially for a project that, you want to last for a long time. If you're a committed member and committed investor, community member, you definitely want to make sure that, your ideas are heard, and there's a place that you could actually have civilized discussion for those. So I think it's pretty cool. Definitely check it out. This is probably the best organization I've seen for a DAO. So it's great that they put the work into this. So definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description. Here's some of the features for HydraN. You could check this out on the white paper for this. So instant finality with true BFT. So instant finality is a feature of blockchain technology that ensures that transactions are confirmed instantly with no risk of a fork, which is cool. Unique exponentially validator weight. This one is interesting. Staggering 2-second block time target, a 16x improvement from the current level. So that's awesome. Up to 12 megabyte block size, permissionless, full EVM support. Ethereum Web 3.0, out of the box support for MetaMask, Ethereum based RPC. Ethereum standard addresses, total removal of the standard deviation problem, real-time price oracle, reduction of gas costs with a tentative target of a cent or ranging 1 cent to 3 cents per transaction, and then advanced staking economy, rewarding loyalty, adapting to market cycles, reacting to community sentiment, and offering a dynamic APR based on various factors. So again, it's pretty cool that they're looking to improve as much as possible. I know there's other things that they're working on. But yeah, a lot of exciting stuff as well. They just essentially just want to keep making this better, and I think that's definitely awesome. So again, if you guys want to learn more about this, you guys can. They have tons of documentation. They have like a great Medium articles on this. You even have like this presentation on HydraN. Again, I'm not going to go over all this, but it's kind of cool how they like walk you guys through this and how this all came to light. But I do think there's a lot of opportunity, not just for investors of the project, but for developers. I think if you help them ensure that they have a future on your platform, I think it's good. The chain will be fully EVM compatible, which I mentioned, to allow developers to migrate their dApps with ease. So that's awesome. Obviously, the instant finality that we mentioned, high scalability, developers can build apps without having to worry about performance, suitable for both crypto and real world application. So again, lots of different, opportunities, lots of different benefits for that. Again, definitely check it out if you guys are interested. This was kind of a cool like walkthrough about how they started, and then obviously like their next phase is obviously HydraN, which is pretty cool, making Hydra more powerful. So talk about some of the problems, some things that they're kind of solving. We kind of talked about some of the solutions, but again, if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. Let me know in the comments below. Definitely follow them on all their socials. Let me know what you guys think about HydraChain, HydraN. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this. Definitely excited about this for the future. I'll probably do a follow-up video talking more in depth about some of these features. Definitely want to talk more and use the app more and see kind of how that evolves. But if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description for the website. I'll put a link for their Twitter. A lot of great things on there as well. Great updates. They have the links for the Telegram if you guys want to join that. But that's it. That's HydraChain. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.